It's Thanksgiving morning!
And game day.
Okay, so today is the first day of me getting this camera. Shout out to my husband. We are making Mississippi pot roast.
Mississippi hot dog.
He is cleaning the meat.
Following the recipe of this guy says to use 1/2 cup beef broth. The video says use au jus. I'm gonna use both. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bar that up. Oops. We shall use ranch, au jus, gravy.
What are you thankful for this year?
This year?
Yeah.
Actually thankful for all the trips I went to.
Aww.
You thought I was gonna fuck around too, huh?
I really did.
Mr. Brian.
YouTube University.
One half cup, be a little generous. Just extra flavor. One stick of butter, but I'm gonna put these two. I think this is half.
Yes.
Fuck you. Oh, there it is. Bada boom. Bada boom. Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yep.
That's it? Nah. That's hella easy, bro.
That's all you do.
That's hella easy.
And then you press warm when you want it warm. I'm gonna stand here for time lapse.
Really? That's easier than the rice cooker.
That's as easy as a rice cooker. What are you talking about?
Dude, rice cooker, like, you have to, like, turn this on.
You just press start.
Start. This way, you literally
You
just
turn it
press
on.
select. That's it.
No, you have to press it 4 times. You're doing 10 hours. She did 8. But 10 hours because 5 pounds?
What's 10 hours from now?
I think that's cool. That's
9:30. I'll catch you at 9:30. No. I'll catch you at 10:30 or 11:30 because, you know, your boy got to run with his brother and then, you know, play some ball or some football tomorrow because it's Thanksgiving.
So it's my turn now. I will be prepping the mushrooms and stuff. I think I should prep it tonight. I'm going to be cooking tofu sisig. So tomorrow I'll probably cut all the tofu, but maybe tonight I'll cut like all the onions and mushrooms so that at least that's ready. I'll wake up at maybe 7 and then get ready, be ready by, fuck, maybe I should wake up earlier because it takes me so long to wake up. Anyways.
Warm to sleep in, man.
Alright. Damn, I really have been at this table for almost an hour. It's okay. I just put the garlic in this thing, and I just used the packaging that the mushrooms came in, and then I put the onions in that container. So yeah, that took me an hour and 8 minutes to do. Also, I've been watching Wednesday, and it's a pretty good show. I like it. Well, I like these kind of shows. But anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. It's Thanksgiving morning!
And game day.
Whoa. Wow, the meat shrank.
Yeah, you should have got two.
Yeah, there's a lot of sauce in here. Look at how much
I
sauce
wanna
is
eat
in here.
it. I wanna eat it now.
Next time, you know how much sauce you put.
I think that's good. You gonna try it? Try it for me?
Oh hell yeah! Look like my mom. It's hella hot. It's so good. Alright, today is Thanksgiving, and I'm going to do my makeup while I drink my green drink that I have, that I've always been drinking every morning. Well, when I remember to drink it, and coffee. Anyways, I put my makeup in this all the time. I've had this for a while. Oh, so if I put it here, it's too much, but if I put it right here, it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with primer. Put it on my hand. It's the same makeup tutorial look that I always do, remember? Slight changes. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it looks too much. So we're gonna start off with color correcting. I always start off with that. Going to line it. Anyways, this cute ass brush gave me. Hair, I'm gonna curl like maybe 2 of them. Thanksgiving. I like celebrating it just because I like the reunion of family and just, you know, taking a moment. I mean, you should always take moments, you know, throughout the whole year, every day, be grateful, but specifically Thanksgiving Day, like, it like forces everyone to do it with you, and I don't know, it just feels different. It just hits different, the thankfulness. It's like oh, we're all gonna be thankful together on the same day. It feels good, and there's a lot of food. Wow, my nose is stuffy on Thanksgiving Day. I feel fine, just my nose is stuffy. All right. As long as it looks good in the photo far away, I should be fine. As long as you don't, like, zoom in on my makeup and see how messy it is. I just need to put lip liner and lipstick. My makeup drawer is a fucking mess. Let's use spice. We'll spice up our life. So I put my pencil sharpener in here because shit goes everywhere. So I let it be messy in here because I was just tired of cleaning it up all the time. And this little bag is from Daiso. I'm gonna put this on. Look at that. Handy dandy little tub of Vaseline. I like using Vaseline for my lips. like more hydrating. Alright, so yeah, this is gonna be my look for today. But this is my look every time. So I'll see you later. Alright, I forgot to show it, but we finished cooking the sisig, tofu sisig.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Happy holidays.
I got you pie.
My name is Christian, Carlos' cousin.
I got you pie.
There's
Oh,
pie
thank
over
you.
there.
Thanks. Yum pie with extra cream. Yeah. Wow. Pumpkin pie. Hi. Happy Thanksgiving.
Alright y'all, so what's up? Welcome to the vlog. I'm here with Ashley and family. Right now we are doing some Thanksgiving festivities. We're taking shots. Right now behind me I got the boy Brandon. This is and Meg.
Drink up, Ashley.
He touched my buto.
Who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's